Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change cleaning mode to either mop or vacuum on Philips HOMERUN 2000. To do it, click on the cleaning method. Now you can set it to vacuum and mop, vacuum, mop, quiet or intensive. So just choose any of those. You can also adjust the suction, the mop wetness and the repetition and click on apply. You can also instead click on cleaning method, custom, edit settings, then select the room that you want to change the custom settings for. And now you can see that I can change all of this for this exact room. Then click on apply, then select other room and apply it as well, and then it will be set to custom. I'm gonna go back to everywhere, and that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.